Từ gì? Rất là
Con ngồi này đi.
thôi không mà đêm.
Sữa chua khô ở ngoài này cũng có đó. Đấy con cứ ngồi đấy con đợi đi. Cô sẽ vào bây giờ.
Hello.
Đấy, đây là picture đấy con.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon. Ta-da! Okay, can you see teacher?
Có thấy không?
Hello.
Đây.
Yes. Okay. Can you hear teacher? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so welcome. Welcome to Pantado's class. This is our first demo lesson together. Okay, but before we start our lesson, oh, wait for me, please. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's get to know each other first, okay? So my name is Teacher Elaine. Teacher Elaine. Okay, what is your name? What's your name? Yes. What is your name?
My name is Kaya.
Your name is Anne. Okay, how do you spell your name? Yes. Okay, you can write. You can write your name. Okay, can I? Okay. A-N. Okay, Anne. Anne. Nice to meet you, Anne. Nice to meet you, Anne. You say nice to meet you too, teacher. Okay, repeat after teacher. Nice to meet you too. Anne, yes, Anne. Okay, you say
Nice to meet you too.
good job. High five. High five. High five. Where's my high five? Ting. Good, very good. Okay, so Anne. Okay, how are you? How are you, Anne? How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, nice. You're fine. Okay, that's good to know. You are feeling fine. Okay, so anyway, we are going to yes. Okay, I have here some questions for you so that I can know you better, okay? So, Anne, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
You're 6 years old? Oh, nice. 6 years old. Okay. Are you in grade 1? Grade 1?
No.
No? Kindergarten?
Yes.
Yeah, oh, kindergarten. I thought you're in grade 1. I'm sorry. Okay, Anne, what is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? Yes. Or animal. We can have animal. What's your favorite animal?
Thích động vật nào?
Chó.
Nói tiếng Anh đi.
Dog.
Dog. Okay, wow. Do you have a dog? Do you
Yes.
have, yeah, wow. What is the name of your dog?
T.
T? Is it T?
Yes.
Okay, how many are you in your family? How many are you in your family? We have Anne, Mommy, 5. Okay, who are the 5 people in your family? Mommy,
Mommy. Daddy.
Daddy,
Father.
brother,
Baby.
baby, and Anne.
Me.
And you. Okay, very good. So you are 5 in your family.
Con đâu?
Okay, Anne, one more question. What? Yes.
Không, số không hỏi.
Anne, one more question. What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning?
Buổi sáng con làm gì?
Eat.
Eat. What did you eat? Or did you play? Did you play with your brother?
Play.
Yeah. Okay, so anyway, I think that's it for our question and getting to know each other. Do you have a question for teacher, Anne? No? Okay, I think we are ready to start the lesson now.
Hậu là chim. Ở đây, ra đây, ra đây này. Ok nè. Có ra đây không? Không là cuối tuần cắt hết tất cả mọi thứ.
Tí nữa mượn điện thoại sao? Tí nữa mượn điện thoại nha. Nhớ nha.
Không học tử tế đừng có nói nhiều. Con hỏi cô câu hỏi đi.
Okay, so Anne, how old? Okay, teacher is 27. 27 years old.
Mấy tuổi?
Yes, that's it. Okay, so now I think we're ready to start. Anne, are you ready for our lesson? Are you ready? You say, yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Ngồi thẳng vào.
Okay, so we have, are you ready? Yes, you're ready.
Nhớ về
Okay,
điện thoại.
so Anne, listen to teacher, listen to me, and eyes on me. Okay, our lesson is all about farm animals. So your favorite animal is a dog, right? So we have a dog here too. But first, let's sing a song. Okay, I want you to sing and dance with this song. 3, 2, 1, go.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Cow say,
Con bảo mẹ.
meow,
Học đi đó.
oink, moo. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Năm 2 Mẹ hiểu rồi.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. What does the horse say? Woof woof. Moo.
No,
Neigh.
no.
Nay.
With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
On that farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. The pig say?
Quack.
Quack.
No,
Tweet tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Oink.
no.
Oink.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O.
What does the sheep say?
Cluck cluck.
Quack, quack.
Oink.
Oink.
Ba.
Ba.
With a ba ba here and a ba ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. What does the duck say? Meow?
Meow.
Moo?
No. No.
Quack?
Quack, quack.
With a quack
Quack,
quack
quack
here
here,
and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old
Old
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
What's the next animal?
E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a rooster. E-I-E-I-O.
What does the rooster say?
Ribbit? Meow?
No.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Nice. Okay, so we have here. Sorry. Okay, so Anne, what is your favorite animal in the farm? What is your favorite animal in the farm?
Con thích con gì nhất thì nói.
Con gì?
Ôi thì con thích con gì con nói.
It's the
Con thích rồi con mèo hay con gì?
Con dog.
dog. Still the dog? Okay, nice. What does the dog say? What does the dog say? Is it meow?
Woof.
Woof. Okay, so the dog says woof, woof. Woof, woof here, woof, woof there. Okay, so your favorite animal is still a dog. Okay, now I want you to look at the pictures here. Okay, and tell me, what are they?
Nhìn bạn.
What is this?
Nhìn bạn.
What is this? It's a
dog.
Is this a dog? Again, this is a dog. Again,
It is a dog.
very good. Okay, number 2 picture. Look at number 2. What is it?
Cat.
This is a cat.
This is a cat.
Oh my.
Okay, what does the cat say? Meow. Meow, meow.
Con nói gì? Con nói theo đi. Nào.
Meow.
Meow. Okay, good. Next, number 3. What is this? This
It is a cat.
This
It
is
is a cow.
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 This is a cow. Okay, what does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo here and moo, moo there. Okay, so again, let's read the words. We have dog, dog,
Dog.
cat,
Cat.
cat, and last one we have cow.
Cow.
Cow, good job. Very good. And okay, high five. Give me another high five. High five.
Đưa cái mặt vào. Đưa cái mặt.
Nice job. Okay. Next word. Next animals.
Để nhìn thấy con nó dễ.
Okay, what is this?
It is duck.
This is a duck. Okay, number 2.
It is a pig.
Very good.
Pig.
Okay, this is a pig. And the third one?
It is a chicken.
A chicken. Okay, but we call the mother chicken hen. Okay, again, hen.
Chicken hen.
Chicken hen. Okay, mommy chicken is hen. Okay, mommy chicken. Okay, so again, let's read the word. Number 1, we have duck. Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Pig.
Pig.
Pig. Hen.
Pig. Chicken hen.
Okay, mommy chicken is hen. Okay. Okay. Now we have here the structures. We have here questions and answers. Okay. So when we say yes, when we say what animal is it? You say
It is a pig.
Okay, it is a pig. It's a pig. Okay, how about this one, Anne? What animal is it?
It is a dog.
It is a dog. Okay, one more time. It's a dog.
It's a dog. Woof.
Woof, woof. It's a dog.
Chó nói thế nào?
Okay, next one, number 3.
Chó nói thế nào thì phải nói
Woof, woof.
Oh no, number 2. We have a question. Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs?
Con có thích gì không? Yes or no?
Do you like dogs? I?
No.
Okay, you say, no, I don't. No,
No,
I
I
don't.
don't.
Very good.
No,
Okay,
I don't.
very good. How about dogs? Do you like dogs? You say, yes,
Yes.
I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Thích con chó đấy. Con hỏi có thích con chó không?
Okay, number 3. What does the dog say? What does the dog say? Woof,
Nói thế nào?
This is the
woof. Say, woof, woof.
woof. Woof,
What?
woof.
Very good. What does the pig say?
Con lợn nói thế nào?
What does the pig say?
No.
Không, pig say.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. All right, very good. So again, we have the 3 structures. What animal is it? Do you like? And what does the animal say? So now let's play a game. Do you want to play a game, Anne?
Yes.
Yes, let's play a game. I want you to put the numbers in the correct circle, okay? So let's read first this word. Okay, read this word, please. Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Okay, what number is the cow? What
Cow.
number?
3.
3. Okay, so we are going to put number 3 here. Number 3. Okay, next one. A dog.
A dog.
A dog. What number is a dog?
Number Number 1.
Number 1. Nice job. Okay, number 1 is a dog. Okay, next word we have a pig.
Number 2.
Is it number 2? Pig. Oink, oink.
Cô đang nhìn cái mặt của con tẩm lợn đấy, nói đi.
Con thích
Pig is number
5.
number 5. 5. Good, very good. Next word, a cat. A cat. What number is a cat?
Two.
Number 2. Okay, cat is number 2. And last one, we have a duck. A duck.
Cho mà không nhìn.
Duck hả?
A duck.
Duck.
Duck is number
4.
number 4. Very good. Okay, so you know every animal now. Okay, wait for me. I think we are going to play a game.
Không thẳng điện thoại ạ.
I think you're bored. Okay, so you're going to tell me what are the animals in each number, okay? Do you want to play this game? Anne?
Yes.
Okay, you can choose a number.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, choose a number. Choose a number now.
Number 7.
Number 7. Okay, it's okay. You can choose another one. Number 1?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so Anne, what animal is it? Do you know
Crocodile.
crocodile? Okay, let's check. But I think this is, okay, this is an iguana. Iguana. Okay, iguana
Kỳ
is
nhông.
Kinyong. Iguana.
Okay,
Kinyong. Let's try number 2. You have 25 points. Number 3. Okay, what is this? What is? Okay, it's, don't forget the it's a frog again.
Frog.
It's a frog. Okay, that's okay. It's a frog.
It's a frog.
Nice job. Okay, number 4. What is it?
It is a bear.
Okay, it is a bear. It's a bear. Number 5. What is it?
It is a horse.
Okay, it looks like a horse, but this is a zebra.
It is a zebra.
Okay, zebra. Yeah.
Ngựa dần.
Yes. Again, zebra.
Zebra.
Yeah, very good. Oh, this one. What is it?
This is a rabbit.
This is a rabbit. Good job. It's a rabbit. 25 points. Yay. Oh, this one. It can fly at night.
This is a bat.
Wow, good job. This is a bat. What is it?
This is a tiger.
It is a tiger. This is a tiger. 11. What is it?
This is a sheep.
Okay, what does the sheep say? What does the sheep say? Ba,
Baba.
baba, baba, black sheep. Okay, number 12. 50 points again. Wow. Okay, this one. What is it?
It is a whale.
It is a whale. Wonderful job. Another one from the sea.
This is an octopus.
It is an octopus. What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
Okay, so this one, it's okay. This one is what we call an ostrich. Can you say the word?
Ostrich.
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 Good job. It's an ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, 16. What is it?
This is a dolphin.
It's a dolphin. This is a dolphin. Very good job. All right.
Cho 10 điểm.
So your score
Cho 10 điểm
is
bà ơi.
210. Wow. Clap your hands for Anne. Clap your hands. Yay. Okay, do you like the game?
Đã mẹ.
Are you happy with the game? Okay, now we are going back to our lesson. So for the next page, you are going to spell each animal, okay? So for example, number 1, this is a cat, right? So how do you spell a cat? How do you spell cat?
10 phút nữa mới học xong. Mấy phút nữa.
Xí. 30 phút nữa. Xí. Đọc đi. Xí.
Gì?
A.
N.
T.
T.
And T. C-A-T for cat. Okay, how about for cow? Cow. C.
Cow.
Xí. Đọc xí.
Xí.
O.
O.
W.
W.
Okay, C-O-W for cow. Okay, next one. Your favorite animal, dog. How do we spell dog?
D.
D.
E. O.
Oh,
D.
and G. D. Oh, G. Okay, that's for the dog. How about duck? Duck. How do we spell
T.
duck? D. U.
U.
C.
C.
K.
K.
K. Okay, D-U-C-K. Duck. How about for pig? Pig. P.
Ngồi nghiêm túc. Ngồi nghiêm túc.
First letter is
Nếu mà để mà nói thì nghiêm túc anh Lô, nghiêm túc anh con.
P. P.
T.
I.
A.
G.
I. T.
P-I-G.
P. I. T.
Nice. Okay, P-I-G for pig. Okay, how about the hen? Mommy chicken.
H.
H. E. H-E-N. Again,
H
H-E-N.
Con đọc gì kìa? ATM.
H-E-N.
H-E-N for hen. Okay, nice job. Okay, now let's play another game. So you're going to tell me. Oh, wait for me. Oh, no. Okay, you're going to tell me what.
Cat.
Wait for me. Okay, so you're going to tell me what is this animal? Oh, no. Wait for me.
Oh.
Wait for me, please. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, here. So, Anne, what animal is this again?
This is a dog.
This is a dog. What color is the dog? What color is the dog? Yes.
Brown.
Brown. Okay, the dog is brown. Okay, how about this animal? What animal is
It
this?
is a cat.
Okay, very good. Next animal. What animal is this?
It's a duck.
Very good job. Next one.
It is a pig.
It is a pig. Last one. It's a
Cow.
It's a cow.
Cow.
It's a cow. What's the color of the cow? White and color? White and
Black.
black. Okay, now let's answer the animal. Let's answer which animal is the right animal, okay? So listen to the sentence. My pet is lost. It likes bones and it is very friendly. So what animal likes bones and is very friendly? Is it a cat or a dog?
Dog.
Okay, very good.
Dog.
It's a dog. Okay, can you say the sentence again? It's a dog. It's a dog. Okay, next one. My pet is lost. It can see in the dark and it likes mice. Is this a dog or a cat?
It is a cat.
Oh, nice. Very good.
Cat.
So the cat can see in the dark and it likes mice.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friend.
Okay, so we still have 3 minutes left. So we are going to sing a song. Okay, Anne, do you want to sing a song?
Hát bài hát hôm nào?
Okay.
Okay, let's sing a song.
Là xong rồi.
Đang hát mà.
Đứt còn ngủ.
Okay, the jungle.
Catch some cool pets. Click here to make your very
Okay, let's sing together.
Let's take a walk in the jungle.
In the jungle.
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid.
Có rồi con.
We're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle.
Nữa nó hát còn không rồi.
Bài nào phải
We're
hát
not
hả?
afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back. Stop.
Stop.
Listen.
What is it?
What's that?
It's
It's
a frog.
a frog.
We're not afraid.
Let's jump.
Stomping in the jungle, stomping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Stomping in the jungle, stomping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back.
Stop. Listen. What's that?
Who is it?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey.
We're not afraid. Let's jump. Jumping in the jungle, jumping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Jumping in the jungle, jumping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back. Stop. Listen. What's that?
Oh.
It's a toucan.
We're not afraid.
Let's skip.
Skipping in the jungle, skipping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Skipping in the jungle, skipping in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back.
Stop. Listen. What's that?
Oh no.
It's a tiger! Run!
We're not afraid. All right, we are finished with the song. Okay, did you like it? Is it good? Is it a good song? Hello. Oh no.
Yes.
All
I'm
right.
here.
Yes, okay. So thank you so much. I think we'll have to stop right there because the time is already over. Thank you so much for joining our lesson. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Anne. Hope to see you again here at Pantado.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.